Hey guys, what's up? Mark Saint in the area. This is the second video of the best neighborhoods in São Paulo. We are in Moema. So I'm going to show you Moema as you have never seen before, and you will understand why this is probably one of the best, if not the best neighborhood for you to live and visit in São Paulo. I'll see you soon after the intro. Hey guys, what's up? The first video we have made for the best neighborhoods in São Paulo was Vila Olímpia. And let me tell you, Vila Olímpia is right there. Check it out. Let me wait for my camera girl to follow me. Yes. This is Santo Amaro Avenue. Across the avenue, all the buildings that you see are Vila Olímpia. So they are pretty close to one another here in the south side of São Paulo. So guys, Moema is divided in two parts because it's cut by Ibirapuera Avenue as well. So you have Santo Amaro Avenue, you have Ibirapuera Avenue cutting the whole neighborhood. I want you to know that Moema has two parts. The first part is with avenues having the names of birds from the Brazilian fauna, right? The fauna? Yeah. Okay, from the Brazilian fauna. So this avenue, for example, is Avenida Rouxinol or Rouxinol Avenue, okay? And the other side, after Ibirapuera... Oh, by the way, we are in the route of the airport, so I don't know if you guys can see this, but you're gonna see a lot of airplanes flying over. So the first part we're filming is with birds' names from the Brazilian fauna. When you cross Ibirapuera Avenue, one second. When you cross Ibirapuera Avenue to the other side, then you have the Indians' names, but feathers, not dots. Important to say, okay? So you have names of all the Indians and everything. But I want to show you first the neighborhood with the birds' names. And I like to say, take a look at how poor Brazil is, or how poor São Paulo is. This is a Ferrari. Unfortunately, it's not mine. One day it might be, but it's a beautiful car. Very beautiful car. So guys, another thing you should know about Moema. Why is it so fashionable? Why is it so desired by the people who visit São Paulo? Well, one of the reasons I think is the flatness of the streets. If you are familiar to the topography of Brazil, you know that Brazil is pretty hilly, right? My neighborhood, for example, for me to go to the supermarket, I go down and then I have to go all the way up, which is horrible. And I live in the middle of a hill, so for me to go to the subway station, I have to go another 10 minutes up. In Moema, you don't have this. You have just flat streets. Usually, okay, they are as flat as they can be. But if you're growing old, or if you have any problems with your legs, with your knees, this is a wonderful place for you to live. One of the reasons, of course. Also, I would say the bars are great. There are many bars. There are many padocas, as we like to say, which is padaria or bakery. What else? You have restaurants of all kinds. You have the nightlife is really good. So, oh wow, this is not a commercial. Conseguiu filmar? Ah, too bad she couldn't get it because it's not a commercial flight. It's like a military one. Let me tell you, Moema is also great because it's pretty close to Vila Olímpia and it's pretty close to Ibirapuera Park. So I've been in the real estate market for a while now, for about 3 years. Something I learned is the closer you are to Ibirapuera Park, the more expensive your property is, and of course the more money you make if you rent or if you resell. Okay, so here in Moema you are pretty close to Ibirapuera. You can walk to the park from here. We are also close to the Congonhas airport. São Paulo doesn't have only Cumbica or the GRU airport that you guys are accustomed to landing in. We also have Congonhas. which is a smaller airport with local flights. But I just read a report that says that they are investing 2 billion reais in the expanding of this airport, and we will start to have international flights pretty soon. Tá ali, a gente veio de lá. Você quer descer? Vamos mostrar alguma outra rua?
Vamos.
Guys, we came from there, from the subway, but we made a live on Instagram. So if you are curious about seeing, just go check it out. I'm gonna go and take another street here. Now we're going down here, so it's not that flat, but if you compare to the others, guys, I mean, you can't compare. It's still pretty flat. What I like about this neighborhood, lots of trees. Yeah, it's the airstrip here is pretty busy, you know. Just reminding you, this is the second video on the series of videos that we're making with walking vlogs, showing you the best there is about São Paulo. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you click on the like button, and if you guys want to support the channel through communities, go check it out. We have interesting perks for you to choose from. Okay? Oh guys, the day I'm filming this is the Easter Sunday. Okay, it's not a holiday anymore, but people are with their family, so it's still closed. The restaurants. Let's get this one, man.
Yes.
Oh, there is a bar right there. Let's take this part of Moema. The place is really elegant. I just don't live here because I was telling during the live that it's way out of my budget. If you're working for that. But if you guys make USDs, man, this is your place. Oh, an Italian place. We have bars and restaurants the other side. If you're planning on investing on something in Brazil, let me tell you something here. If you're looking for a segment to invest in Brazil, this is one of them, which is beauty. Women spend a lot of money with beauty in this city and this country. If you invest in something that is cosmetics, hair, you might make a lot of money, you know? Another thing that is typical here in São Paulo is this kind of construction. They expand the area of... Oh, Tali, film that. Look how beautiful. Pinocchio. Interesting home stuff. Huh? Beautiful. So guys, as I was saying, they expand the areas of the bars.
Deixa eu pegar pra filmar.
With
Eu não sei como que faz pra dar zoom aqui.
eu também não.
Pronto, pode falar.
Oh, they expand the areas of the bars with those places. They put tables, they put an umbrella. The place looks beautiful when you do that. And I like the mix of the city with the vegetation. Really fine people live in this region, you know. Of course, you have a mix of the old and the new. You have old design buildings with the more modern ones. Quase que eu dou beijo na câmera agora. I was approaching. But I'm not sure I'll be able to show you the whole Moema. I want to concentrate on the bird side first. If we don't have time in this video to complete the whole thing, we're gonna do this later, okay? In another video. Oh, so 2 more examples of what I was saying, right? And remember, route for the airport. Put it up. Look up. Up, yes. Guys, we have taken a left after the street we were, took Santo Amaro again, and now we are in Hélio Peregrino Avenue. So they have a bicycle lane on Sundays. We're gonna take a ride because I want to show you a different path from what I was filming at the beginning. So we're gonna take the first on the right to go back to Moema.
A gente tá em Moema.
I mean, eu digo dentro da neighborhood mesmo, inside the neighborhood.
Dá aqui pra mim.
O quê?
Dá aqui
Não,
mesmo.
deixa eu tirar foto. Deixa eu falar.
Deixa eu pegar um negócio aqui. Essa prédio aqui tá bonita. Peraí, sai daí.
I'm making videos for the members of the community on the site. If you want to have access to these pictures, become a member.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we
We got a little lost here. We entered a street that had that was a dead end. But now, to Graúna. This is Graúna Street where we're taking. Graúna. Lots of airplanes. This is Rua Graúna, guys.
Quando a bolinha tá piscando vermelha que tá gravando,
Tá, yeah. We're going towards Ibirapuera Avenue, which is an avenue that divides the two sides of Moema. Passou nessa já?
não.
really modern neighborhood. Beautiful places. Lots of buildings. This region here is not so flat, right? We have some snow. Now Twin, let me look at the map here. My navigation is failing today. Agora eu tô com a música da gata borralheira na cabeça. Yes, that's the one. Ó, a gente vai descer agora e depois entrar na Avenida Macuco, porque ela vai também reto até a Ibirapuera. Macuco Quequim. My wife's reference to Chaves. And you guys thought it was just me, right? Look how great this place is, guys. A lot of trees. I think Moema is even more interesting than Vila Olímpia. More residential, yeah. More residential.
Olímpia is like, how do you say empresário?
Business.
Business.
It's cross. But of course you also have bars, you have companies. But in general, it's more towers, apartment buildings. So guys, look how nice that place is. Should we let's just check something on the map. Não precisa, amor. Check something on the map. A gente veio da... So according to my map, if we enter this one to that direction, we're gonna end up at Paulista Avenue. Paulista Avenue. Ibirapuera Avenue. Let's go. I think Paulista is talking about me. Cada uma, viu? Do you want to understand what cada uma means? Brazilian Portuguese. Brasil sem legendas with Mark Saint. By the way, I have a profile on Instagram, which is this one here, which is Portuguese with Mark Saint. I know things have been pretty quiet there in the past few months, but I promise I'll get back there. But I already have content for you guys to check. Quanto de bateria está já, Camera Girl?
38.
38. Vou mandar um pouquinho mais rápido para dar tempo. Ó, Thalia, salão de beleza ali, ó. Hair Beauty Salon, take a look. Hair and Beauty. Filma lá, tô falando, você não tá nem mostrando. Sushi Lounge. That part you like, one.
I love it.
E barber shop by the side. cool places we have to visit. Can I end up having lunch here? No, man. My stomach is growling already. What is the name of this place? Jacutinga?
Eu não sei.
Check the map again.
Jabutinga, eu coloquei lá.
Jacutinga, né? This is Jacutinga Avenue, ou rua. Street. Jacutinga.
Peixe pra mim é peixe com
Another bar. Straight ahead. Really nice neighborhood. The second neighborhood we have chosen to make videos for the series of videos about the best neighborhoods in São Paulo.
Ela mandou mensagem pra mim que tava lá.
Podemos? Tá. Quer levar?
Tampa ela. Quer que eu tire daqui?
Não, só ficar na sombra. O quê?
Experimenta.
Tali bought a tangerine water.
Eca, que nojo.
Horrible. I'm giving a break to my camera girl.
Refrigerante pra colocar aqui dentro. Pra rebater o gosto ruim.
Oh my god.
Comprar uma Sprite. Bota isso daqui pra gelar. A câmera. Já vem, dá o dinheiro aí.
She has bought a tangerine flavored water. Look at that. It's horrible. Horrible. Now she wants to buy the soft drink soda to mix with this and be drinkable. Why not buying regular water? I have given my camera girl a break because she bought some horrible tangerine flavored water, and then she bought the soda to try to counter the bad taste of this. But it didn't work very much. So I was saying that the other side you have some interesting restaurants, so it's a perfect time to show this because I'm hungry and we're looking for a place to sit down and eat something. Look how full it is. So that's the incredible thing about Moema. No matter what time you come, you're gonna have lots of people socializing. Brazilians are like this. They love socializing. They love sitting down and going to a restaurant is an event. It's not like abroad. At least I've been told about this. You eat and you get out. In Brazil, you can stay at the table for a long time. Of course, there are exceptions. There are places. If the neighborhood and the restaurant is very busy, so of course you won't stay there for 3-4 hours. But I know friends who have gone to the restaurant and stayed 6 hours at a table, just consuming, talking, having fun. So it's possible to do that, okay? Oh, La Nonna di Luca. Here, Cabana. This is like a burger place, I guess. Take a look. It's a burger place.
Baby.
Ah, another construction there.
Dá uma tampadinha.
More.
Ó, lugar perfeito pra você gravar aqui.
Ah, yes. Eu gravei esse lugar da primeira vez que eu fiz o vídeo. The first time I made a video in Moema, we recorded this. It was more beautiful when I came, I
Você
gotta
vai
tell you.
passar, você vai passar de lá pra cá, tá?
Yeah. It was more beautiful. Yeah. From here on.
Vai pra cá, ó.
Peraí. Oh. Mark Saint in the area. Let's go, man. Very busy neighborhood. We are still on Rua Jacutinga.
A gente podia pegar aqueles coisas que eu fiz da formato de rios mesmo. Que eu peguei da Liberdade e botar como rios, né? Como shorts.
Schwarzenegger. You wanna measure the level of my hungers when I start making really stupid and not funny jokes. Like right now, Schwarzenegger. So that means I'm really hungry, you know? The guy almost said hello to the camera.
Hello to the camera.
Hey, hi.
Cadê a Ibirapuera?
Ibirapuera is right there.
É a próxima?
No, probably not. Filma pra nós? Tá bom, tá bom, tá bom. Já tá filmando. Vamos lá dentro. Guys, almost getting to the limits of the first part of Moema. Moema is kind of spread out, so we need to be able to show you everything. And we gotta walk. I don't think it's possible to do that in just one video. But at least you guys have an idea, right? So I'm going to divide this walk in two parts. Definitely. I just decided because I don't have battery to show everything now, but I'm gonna explore as much as I can on the bird side, which is where we are. By the way, a lot of birds singing, which is beautiful. But I want you to see the architecture, the commerce. Look, always with a graffiti. A mural, I mean, right? Not a graffiti, a mural, sorry. And nice restaurants. And then you have like Freddy Carney's. Oh, you have a butcher shop. There was a street market right there that it's already over. And this is towards Ibirapuera Avenue, but we can keep walking here.
Entra aí
Onde?
no mapas e vê onde que é.
O que? Ibirapuera?
É.
Aqui, ó.
Então vamos pra lá.
Ah, mas mostra mais um pouco da...
Não, eu já tô cansada.
Tá cansada? My camera girl is tired. Ah, did you show?
Yeah.
Nice, olha. Nice spring barber, guys. Filma. Ah, you also have business buildings. Check it out. Office buildings. And then you have
Avenida Ibirapuera.
Ibirapuera Avenue. Nice neighborhood. There are many other places that I could show, but it would take longer and longer than this. So we're all hungry, but I hope you have enjoyed it, okay? If you have, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Remember, this support you give is really important. Want to support us even more, consider becoming a tourist, a resident, or a citizen of the channel. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Go check out the communities. Come here, man. Go check out the communities. We have interesting parks to show you and to offer you in exchange for a small contribution. Okay? Reaching Ibirapuera Avenue now. The other side of the avenue is the Indian name. Okay? The Indian name side. So all the streets have Indian names, but it's gonna be for another moment. Guys, look at our food, our order. It's an order of mix like pururuca, torresminho pururuca. This one, mommy.
Costelinha.
Costelinha, sausages. What else, mommy? Mandioca in Portuguese. The name is there in English because I don't remember. And French fries, of course. We're just not gonna really eat like a meal, like rice and beans. So we're gonna have this and then keep walking because we still have some a big chunk of the neighborhood to film. Okay. Guys, stomach's full. Time to go back to our walking. As you can see, the lights have already changed, right? Because it's what now? It's 4:03 right now. Was the food good, mommy?
Yes.
Was it delicious? Amazing. Moema is really big, guys. It seems to be small, but when you do that on foot, it's really big. Hey, how are you? Everybody knows everybody here. The food was good. So just so you guys understand prices, we got an order of, it had mandioca, it had linguiça, which is sausage. It had, what is the other one? Costelinha. Costelinha, it's pork ribs. It was good. It was about 40, I think 41 reais. And then we got an order of French fries, right, Mom?
Yeah. And a salad.
And an order of salad. The whole thing was 118 reais. I was not gonna tell her, but 118 reais.
I saw.
118 bucks. Reasonable, right, mommy?
Yeah.
It was reasonable. I was thinking of ordering like rice and beans and a steak, but to be honest with you, I'm so full. I think I was more satisfied than if I had really gotten the rice and then everything, you know? Let's walk a little faster because we have 12% of battery and we need to...
Acabei de comer, vou
No, it helps the digestion.
andar rápido?
Yes.
Você ajuda a andar rápido.
Você ajuda a digesta.
A minha ensina a vomitar, ajuda a vomitar.
É. The perimeter of Ibirapuera Avenue, Moema Avenue, or Moema neighborhood, sorry, is really big. It has a big perimeter. It goes until Bandeirantes Avenue, which is the direction we're taking, close to Ibirapuera shopping mall. So definitely you got a lot of things to do here. Another bakery right there. Padaria. Achei que eu não tava gravando, eu ia falar não.
Oh, não.
Kiko, não seja burro. Não. Oh, we are in Rochinol again, man. We were here before. Oh, Fuqueta, this is a Fusca. So we were on this avenue at the beginning, Rochinol. Prime Boulevard. The salad was also very well served. It had eggs. What else?
Tomato.
Eggs, tomatoes, greens in general, which was lettuce, arugula,
Onion.
olives, onions, carrots, grated carrots, e palma.
Palma?
Yeah, I tried to explain palmito the other day, but I couldn't, you know. It comes from a palm tree. I think it's palm. Guys, I have 6% of my remaining battery. The second battery I have brought. So let's see if I can finish what I want to film. Definitely a cozy neighborhood. This is just the first video about Moema on this new series, okay? Because I'm gonna have to come back here and film the other side of Ibirapuera Avenue, guys, because they won't be able to do the whole thing today. But it's okay, I don't want things to be rushy. I want you guys to see everything about it, you know. Pizzeria right here, and then, tá, eu acho que esse é o mercado dia mais bonito que eu já vi. The most beautiful branch of Dia markets is this one. There's a nice green place there. How do you say? Imagine having my studio here. It would be cool. It would be nice. Huh? Gelato. People in Moema don't say sorvete, ice cream, they say gelato.
Gelato.
Yeah, Italian thing, you know. Ó, Bem TV, mano. Avenida Bem TV. Bem TV is a famous bird in Brazil. It keeps like Bem TV. More towers in Moema. You enjoying the walk, mommy?
Yes.
Yeah. I call her mommy because she's Manu's mommy, of course.
Yes.
Right? Ah, I missed it. Perdi o... Oh, nice place.
A lot of buildings.
Oh yes, more constructions. Check, guys. This is not La Vie.
Corbina?
Avenida Cotovia, this one. And then we have Jauaperi. And we're going towards Avenida dos Bandeirantes. Deixa eu ver quanto aqui, amor. 1%. Vambora. Vamos pra cá. So there's just 1% on my battery. So I'm gonna rush things here. Sempre que eu tô falando assim, que se eu já fiz um terminal, né? Eu já terminei um... Já fiz o fechamento, né? You're enjoying the walk, make sure you leave a comment. Vou atravessar para o outro lado, vamos. Não, pode ficar aqui, né? Make sure you leave a comment. Also subscribe to the channel in case you haven't. Is all this? Oh, Shopping Ibirapuera, right there. Let's see if I can show you. We have battery for this. This is Avenida Ibirapuera. The airport is right there, the airport of Congonhas. More constructions. Another building will be constructed here. Chegamos no Shopping Ibirapuera, amor. Ibirapuera Shopping Mall is right there.
Sabe o que eu tô pensando? A gente pode tirar aquela placa da porta, né? Da nossa porta.
Por quê?
Porque sim.
Oh, mas aquilo não te traz cliente?
Já faz um tempinho
Que não vai ninguém?
É.
Ah, então tira.
O pessoal tem uma vez que eu vou comprar.
Não tira. Não vai não, vai não. Oh, German restaurant there, man. German restaurant. Oh, really nice. Tem um metrô aqui, né?
Hã?
Tem um metrô aqui, ó.
Tem.
There's a subway station here. Qual que é, amor?
Ibirapuera?
Cara, assim...
Moema, não sei.
Mas é a mesma linha,
É a
né?
mesma língua.
Nossa, que maravilha. Guys, there's a subway station right there. Which is the Lilac Line. Same one we came with. Right across the street from Shopping Ibirapuera. Ibirapuera Shopping Mall.
Yeah.
So, remember, this is just the first video of images of Moema. Moema has two parts. Sorry to repeat that. Moema has two parts. The first one has names of birds, and the second one has names of Indians. Feathers, not dots. So I like to say that, feathers, not dots. So keep an eye on the channel, okay? Oh, you Metro. Entra ali, mano? É ali que entra?
Hã?
É ali que entra.
Aham.
I didn't know Eucalyptus was the station right in front of Ibirapuera shopping mall. So with that, we say goodbye. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, click on the like button, and you send a message if you want to see the second part of Moema, okay?